Welcome to the second day of Techmas. Today we are going to use Canvas new quiz to create a multiple choice question. If you participate in the first day of Techmas, you have a quiz that looks something like this. If you don't, that's okay. You can use another quiz that you have already constructed or build your own. I'm going to click the plus button right here, and that allows me to add a new quiz question. I'm going to select multiple choice, of course, right here. And once I do that, a multiple choice question will be created. The first thing you have to add is the question title. This is not the question. This is an identifier that you can use to locate this question later on. So for example, I'm going to call mine Techmas 2021.q1 for question one. This allows you to find questions when you have hundreds of questions built up in your course. Then you're going to need to add the question stem. This is the question. So I'm going to say, in which month does Techmas primarily occur? After I've typed the question, and notice I do have the rich content editor, so I can add various features such as a data table or picture if I wanted to. I'm going to type possible answers. So I'll just say November, December, January, and February. Notice that by default, the first choice is always the correct answer, but you don't have to leave it at that. I can choose December right there, and I've now made that the correct choice. Moving to the right, I have the ability to provide feedback. So anyone who answers November, I could say, thanks, but there are a couple of days in November, but the majority are in December. I could also delete that choice by clicking the trash can. Moving down the screen, I can add an answer by clicking right here. So if I wanted to add, say, March in there, I could do that. And you can continue to add answers there as needed. Moving down, you have various options. You can show a calculator, which wouldn't be relevant in this case. I can vary the points by answer. I can also shuffle the choices. So if I don't want them to appear in the correct order, I could do that. So maybe March would appear first and then December would appear last. You can align to outcomes if you're using standards-based grading. And you can also bank the item for later use in quiz creation. You can change the point value. You can provide just-in-time feedback. So anyone who gets the correct answer would see this. Anyone who gets the incorrect answer would see this. And anyone who answers in either way would get this right here. I'm not going to provide any of those for this particular question, but you are certainly welcome to do that. And then you simply need to click Done to create your quiz question. And once you've created a multiple choice question, you're going to take a screenshot of that and submit that for the second day.